this video I will show you how to fix always on display not working on Samsung S24 Fe. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart devices, click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. After you click on notifications, click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system, click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset settings, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So it just reset all settings, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.